Hello, this is Hydrotech. I would like to tell you about some observations I've made surrounding this PWM, which I described in my first video. First, there are two groups of tests that I carried out. In the first group of tests, I utilized this style of electrolyzer. It's an open-sided design, as you can see, with a lot of inherent leakage across the edges of each plate. The second group of tests utilized the EBN or Tiro-Renta type electrolyzer design, with almost no leakage whatsoever. Now, in the first group of tests, given that the voltage from the PSU was 13.8 volts, the maximum amperage that was attainable by this PWM was somewhere in the region of 20 to 24, 25 amps. However, that was extremely tentative because the operating temperature of this capacitor reached its maximum operating temperature of 85 degrees centigrade within minutes, thus requiring an immediate shutdown by disconnecting through this switch. The second group of tests, remember, utilizing the EBN type 31 plate electrolyzer design, through a 12-hour run using 13.8 volts at 25 amps. Throughout that run, this capacitor did not exceed an operating temperature of 34 degrees centigrade. Neither did this 7810 voltage regulator get barely warm. I find that interesting, and I also find that that is a good enough justification for me to utilize the EBN style electrolyzer I put together for all my future experiments. Now, that electrolyzer is a 31 plate design, approximately 6 inches across by 9 inches down, utilizing 1.5 millimeter thick neoprene gaskets. Each gasket is somewhere in the region of 15 millimeters wide. The water that I use for all my tests is distilled water, and the active chemical in that is sodium hydroxide. That's it for now. Thank you for listening. This is Hydrotech signing out.